last weekend I went to LV store near where I live, and I saw these items. So my essay showed me, and I pick it up. This is the receipt from the store. I never pay attention on these items. So when I come to the store this last weekend, because I want to get some of the bag will release soon. So I want to come and because my essay says she want to show me the picture, so I want to come and take a look. And I already and also I want to try in some bag that I interested in, and I saw this one on the shelf, so I pick it up. Let's open the big one first. The small one first is this one, and there we go. This is with the zip magnet box, and that's away. And this is the book is for the coffee table, and this small book is retail for $50. Yep. This is the small one, and when I saw this one, I think it's perfectly for our coffee table at home, so I pick it up. This is the new one, so it still have the plastic cover wrap around, but I have looked at the one on the shelf, and it's on the side have a Louis Vuitton, Louis and Louis Vuitton logo on the top, and this is really good one for the coffee table, and also is very good for gift. If you have any friend or anyone have an open house, or any get married and have a new house, and this is on the back of the book. Inside they're talking about the manufacturing, how they make the bag and the history of it. It's really good book. I already read few pages and saw the information about the Louis Vuitton. This is the one of them, and this is the price is $50 tax, and the measurement for the book is okay. I just want to show you. So if you have the small table or the end table, you can put it there. Is 5.5 inch, and is 14 centimeter length. Height is 8.5 inch, is 21 centimeter, and the width of the book is 1.5 inch, is around 3 centimeter. Is a really pretty paper, and how many page? 315 page, and I think this is very good for a gift to someone, or when like young couple or young people they just start to have a new apartment or new home, and this is a really good one for the gift. And this is the bigger one. Is very heavy. Let's have open, and also is here. And this is the Louis Vuitton catwalk. That's like a fashion show. And this is the how it looks on the side, and on the back. That, and the book is retail for $75 plus tax. When she told me this $75, this book, I'm kind of really surprised, because I thought this book will cost more than that, but it's only like $75. And this is so this is the last one they have, so I take it. They don't have the one in the wrapping paper, so I take this one. And you can see here on the back, it's heavy. On the back of the book is just a paper. They wrap around like that, and it's very heavy. And inside they have all the they introduced the fashion line, and the collection. For each collection, they have see how it's very pretty book, and this is really good one for the coffee table, and also as the gift. And when I see this one, I love it. I say this is perfect for our coffee table at home. So I got two of them, so we can display, put on the coffee table when we have the visitor come, so they can take a look. And this is beautiful. I got the orange one. They have so many set of the book, different cover, and I think the cardwork is the orange, and the manufacturing is like a monogram canvas pattern, and this is the history of the Louis Vuitton, and I really like it, and I think this is a good, really good gift idea. So I can show you if you have to go or some open house or some friend birthday, they love Louis Vuitton, or yeah, and you can get this. It's under $100, and it's from Louis Vuitton, and it's really pretty. And they have come with the box and gift set and everything, the bag, the shopping bag, and everything, and it looks really nice and luxury. And that's all I shared with you today. It's very short video, but I'm really excited because when I take a look, I say, oh my God, this is really good idea for the gift, and still under the budget, and from Louis Vuitton. And how do you think about this book? Do you already have it, and or do you have any different set or collection? If you have it and how you think about it, then just let me know. Put your comment on the comment below. If you have any questions, just leave on the comment below. I will try to answer all of your questions as the best as I can. And if I know, if I don't know, I will research it, and I will answer you as soon as I can, because you know I have a full-time job, so I don't have time to do the video. I only can do it at night when I finish my work and my daughter went to sleep and everything like quiet, so I can film the video and can share with you. all of you, and I hope you enjoy this video. I know it's very short video, and I hope to see you in next video, and I wish all of you and your family are doing well, and summer coming soon. We are excited to look forward to summer, and if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notify button so YouTube can notify you when I have a new video posted. Um, Thanks again. If you're interested any item that I have, or just put on the comment below, and I will try my best to have the video for you as soon as I can. Again, thank you, and you have a wonderful day. Bye bye.